Don't make this mistake when upgrading your incandescent turn signals to LED on an older car. If you go and you buy the cheapest one on the market like this, they'll work fine, but your car won't know that they're there. So then the turn signals will blink very, very fast, and it's quite annoying. Now they blink that fast to let you know that there's something wrong with your turn signal so you can go replace them. The problem is you fixed it, but your car doesn't know you did. So what you have to do is buy one of these. These LEDs have a resistor built in that emulates the load that an incandescent bulb will put on your car, and everything will function perfectly. So grab your flathead screwdriver and the LEDs from the link below, and let's go fix this. Your taillight is located right behind the cloth lining in your trunk. There are 2 screws you have to take out before you can get to it. First one is right up here on the front. All you have to do is lightly twist. You don't want to put too much pressure or else the whole thing will turn and you won't be able to get it out. Once it's out there, all you have to do is pull and it'll come right out. Put that aside for safekeeping, don't lose it. Now let's go on to the next one. The next screw is located just a little deeper in. Come in, lightly press down and twist. Once you get it out, just pull and you're good to go. It's quite easy to get to the turn signal. You just pull the cloth back and your turn signal housing is located right here. Give it a quick twist to the left and pull back. It's even easier to remove. Just pull up and it's free. Okay, I've got my new LED. All you have to do, slide it in. Go back, put it into the socket, slight twist to the right, and you're done. Now just put those fasteners back in and move on to the next one. And repeat these same steps. Now that everything is installed properly, the car recognizes that the circuit is under complete load and you are safe to drive. As always, links for everything will be in the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.